Is Honeygain any good? It is, but it depends on what your definition of good is. So Honeygain is basically an application where you can download a program and then you just leave it on your devices, and then you'll basically earn free money, because the way that Honeygain gets money is that they'll use your device and then they'll use it to share bandwidth. And then when you share bandwidth, then they'll pay you. But of course, the payment for this is very, very, very small. It's around like 2 cents or 5 cents per day. And the minimum payout is around $20. So you will need about 6 to 3 months to get just $20. So if you have an idle device, let's say a phone, your laptop, or something like that, and you don't use it much, and then you just want to earn quote unquote free money, then of course Honeygain is great for you. But if you are someone who's looking for passive income, and the passive income needs to be, pretty good, not 2 cents or 3 cents per day, I'm pretty sure you can find 3 cents laying around in the floor somewhere. Now, if that's what you're looking for, then of course that's not good, because Honeycane, it has very little in earning compared to other passive income. So if you want really good passive income, then Honeycane is not for you. But if you just have laptop or phones that you don't really use and you want to make use of it, then Honeycane is the correct one for you.